Welcome to Skyrise Investments. You are watching the Market Mastery series, your journey from zero to stock market. Stock market. A word that excites some people, scares others, and confuses most beginners. But in reality, the stock market is not complicated, we've just never been taught properly. So today, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Think of the stock market as a big marketplace, just like Amazon or Flipkart. But instead of buying products, people buy and sell ownership in companies called shares or stocks. So when you buy a share of Tata, Infosys, Reliance, Apple or Tesla, you are not just clicking buy. You are becoming a part owner of that business. If the business grows, your ownership becomes more valuable, so the share price increases. If the business performs poorly, your ownership loses value, so the share price drops. That's the fundamental idea. In India, the stock market runs mainly on two major exchanges: NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. BSE is actually one of the oldest stock exchanges in Asia, established in 1875. In the USA, the major exchanges are NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, world's largest; Nasdaq, famous for tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Google. It doesn't matter which country, the purpose is the same. Connect companies that need money with people who want to grow their money. Now let's understand. Why do companies come to the stock market? Every business needs money to grow, to open new branches, hire people, research new products, expand globally. Companies have two choices. First, take loans. Or second, sell ownership shares to the public. When a company decides to sell ownership, it launches an event called IPO, Initial Public Offering. That's when the company becomes public and its shares start trading in the stock market. We will discuss IPO in detail in coming lectures. Did you ever wonder how prices move? Share prices change every second because of demand and supply. More buyers means price goes up, and more sellers means price goes down. But demand and supply are influenced by many factors like company's performance, economy, interest rates, news, market sentiment, global events, future expectations, and many more. That's why stock prices move constantly, like a heartbeat. Now let's know, how do we track the market? In India, we have Nifty 50, which tracks top 50 companies from NSE, and Sensex, which tracks top 30 companies from BSE. Similarly, in the US there is S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq 100. If these index numbers go up, then market sentiment is positive. If they fall, then market sentiment is negative. Indexes act like a report card of the economy. Let's understand who participates in stock market. There are many types of participants like retail investors, which are people like us, long-term investors, mutual funds, traders, FIIs, foreign institutional investors, DIIs, domestic institutional investors. In the US, FIIs are often called hedge funds, investment banks, pension funds, ETFs. They buy and sell in huge quantities, and their actions often influence market trends. But why do people join the stock market? People enter the market for many reasons, as to build long-term wealth, beat inflation, earn dividends, save for retirement, trade for short-term profit, or become financially independent. But here's the truth, stock market is not a shortcut to get rich. It's a tool to grow rich with knowledge. Those who treat it like gambling loses. Those who treat it like a learning journey wins. So in simple words, the stock market is a platform where companies raise money and investors build wealth by owning shares of those companies. This is the foundation. From here, everything else, trading, investing, technical analysis, indicators, options, will start making sense. If this helped you understand the stock market clearly, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because in the next episode, we'll go deeper and understand what is a company, private versus public, and how a business becomes listed. Subscribe to Skyrise Investments and let's rise together.